Hello little buddies, welcome to Storytime with Frozendoll. Now before I go into today's book, I would like to ask you something. Have you ever tried going to bed really early? Like some days you might feel very tired, or maybe it's very cold outside and you want to just go to bed really early, and you do try to get to bed, get some sleep, but literally it's not possible because there is a lot of things happening around. Maybe somebody is listening to music, or somebody's talking loud, or maybe your mom is even cleaning up in the kitchen for the next day, preparing things. So there's a lot of noise around and you literally cannot get any sleep. So in today's book we have, this is the book Good Night Owl by Pat Hutchins. In this book we meet our friend Mr. Owl, who's trying to get some sleep. So owls are nocturnal. Now what does nocturnal mean? It means that they are active during the night time and they sleep during the daytime. So our friend Mr. Owl is trying to get some sleep, and is he able to actually go to sleep? So let's read together and find out. Please subscribe to my channel Storytime with Frozendoll. Please watch this video, press the like button and share your valuable comments. Good night, Owl. Owl tried to sleep. The bees buzzed, buzz, buzz, and Owl tried to sleep. The squirrel cracked nuts, crunch, crunch, and Owl tried to sleep. The crows croaked, caw, caw, and Owl tried to sleep. The woodpecker pecked, rat-ta-ta, rat-ta-ta, and Owl tried to sleep. The starlings chittered, twit, 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 and Owl tried to sleep. The jays screamed, "Ark, ark!" and Owl tried to sleep. The cuckoo called, "Cuckoo, cuckoo!" and Owl tried to sleep. The robin peeped, pip, pip, and Owl tried to sleep. The sparrows chirped, cheep, cheep, and Owl tried to sleep. The doves cooed. Crew, crew. And owl tried to sleep. The bees buzzed. Buzz, buzz. The squirrel cracked nuts. Crunch, crunch. The crows croaked. Caw, caw. The woodpecker pecked. Rat-ta-ta, rat-ta-ta. The starlings chittered. Twit, 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 twit. The jays screamed. Ark, ark. The cuckoo called. Cuckoo, cuckoo. The robin peeped. Pip, pip. The sparrows chirped. Cheep, cheep. The doves cooed. Crew, crew. And all couldn't sleep. Then darkness fell and the moon came up. And there wasn't a sound. Owl screeched, screech, screech, and woke everyone up. That was a very interesting story. Our little friend, the owl, is trying to get some sleep when all her other friends are busy with the day. I hope you all enjoyed reading Good Night Owl. So in today's book reading, we learned that the owl is nocturnal, which means that it is active during the night time, and so it has to get a lot of sleep during the daytime. As I mentioned in the beginning, bat is another bird which is nocturnal. So can you think about any other birds or animals that are nocturnal, which means it is active in the night? You can write down the answer in the comments below and let me know about it. So that was Frozendoll reading Good Night Owl. I hope you all like the story a lot. See you soon again. Please subscribe to my channel Storytime with Frozendoll. Please watch this video, press the like button and share your valuable comments.